Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a duck step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Draw a circle for the face. Step 2. Draw a rough oval shape for the body. Step 3. Draw a line in a curved shape to create the duck's wing. Step 4. Draw a small triangle shape for the beak. Step 5. Draw a small circle for the eye. Now color your duck with your favorite colors. Our colorful duck is ready. Thanks for watching.